Hey guys, welcome back to Twists and Travels. Today I have a real exciting video for you. I'm going to teach you how I earned $9,000 last year in 15 to 30 minutes a month. Sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? Well, what if I told you that you could open a regular bank account and get bonuses? Banks will pay you to open up an accounts with them. That's how I earned over $9,000 last year, and you can do it too. Here we go.
Hi, welcome to Twists and Travels. We're Larry and Pam, a couple on a new adventure. After my life-changing scoliosis surgery, I can finally walk better and live with less pain. Now we're making the most of this new chapter, traveling together and exploring places we've always dreamed of. Join us as we share our journey of recovery, discovery, and all the amazing adventures ahead.
So here's the deal. Banks want your business badly. To get you to open up a new account, they're willing to hand you hundreds and sometimes thousands of dollars just for meeting simple requirements. Usually it's something like this. Open a new account, set up direct deposit, maybe make a few debit card purchases, and boom, free cash. Don't believe me? Here's two that we just got in the mail in the last week. You can do this. It is so simple. Most people don't even know about this. It's one of the easiest ways I've ever made extra money. Let me tell you exactly how I made over $9,000 last year. A couple years ago, I had to cancel a dream trip to Italy because of unexpected house repairs. One emergency wiped out our home repair emergency fund. The second one drained out our backup emergency fund. And then the last repair took our trip money. I was so sad. It was really tough, but it pushed me to learn about points, miles, and bank bonuses. Last year, I made it a real side hustle, and I spent about 15 to 30 minutes a month opening accounts, setting up simple transfers, and tracking everything on a spreadsheet. No crazy work, no selling anything, just me, my computer, and a plan. And it is so simple. Here's exactly how you can get started. Find the right bonuses. First of all, you want to look for bonuses offering $300 or more. Big banks, online banks, even local banks sometimes. Meet the requirements. Usually it's direct deposit, but you can sometimes transfer money in from PayPal or another bank and it still counts. Hey, got a side hustle? Open up a business account that has ACH so you can pay your employees out of it with direct deposit. That's how my husband and I do it. Then you need to track everything. Use a simple tracker like a spreadsheet with open dates, bonus deadlines, reminders to close the accounts later if needed. Just make it simple so you'll actually keep up with it. And hey, if you're finding value in this, please subscribe and let me know in the comments if you would like a copy of the spreadsheet I use for free, and I will send it to you. Don't miss a deadline. Some banks require you to keep your account open for 90 days or longer. Always double check. I usually keep mine open for 6 months just to be safe. I don't want to close it early and then go, oh, you closed it too early, and they take their money back. If they require debit purchases, then just make your debit purchases as normal. But if you're like me and you like everything to go through your credit card, so I can get all those points and miles I talked about in the last video, and by the way, if you missed it, I'll have a link in this description for you. You got to learn about points and miles, guys. Those will pay for your hotels and airlines. Anyway, if you want all your purchases go through your credit cards to get your points, then what I do for my debit purchases is we usually buy a $5 or $6 gift card online on Amazon and just let it sit there in my account. When I'm ready to make a purchase anyway, I just use the debit card to make that purchase. That way I can get several debit charge purchases in for that low amount. Okay, last thing, repeat. As soon as one bonus posts, you're ready to open up another one. Or you can have multiple ones open at the same time. That's what I do. It does take money to make the money, so you might have to build up a little bit first, depending on what your situation is. For me, I had to start really small, but as I earned the bonuses, I just kept it in my business accounts and I just kept using that money to recycle and make more money. So, some common mistakes to avoid. Real quick, there are a few mistakes you want to avoid. First, missing deadlines. Always put in your calendar when your requirements are due. So if you got to make 10 purchases in a month, don't forget to do it. If you got to have direct deposit of a certain amount every month, don't want to forget to do that either. Not reading the fine point. Some banks require specific direct deposit amounts, like $500 a month, $1,000, etc. Make sure you read the fine print and you get everything exactly right. Because again, you don't want to miss out on that bonus because you can't open up another account with that bank for 6 months to a year, sometimes 2 years. And the last one is the tax surprise. Yes, bonuses are considered taxable income. Keep track. I set aside about 20% of every bonus for taxes, just in case. So as you see, this spreadsheet that I showed you earlier, we made $9,000 last year, and that's the exact spreadsheet I sent to my tax guy. Now, yes, I got 1099s for most of them, but a couple of them I didn't. But I wanted to make sure I counted it anyway. And it counts as, I think it's interest earned. Okay, don't quote me, I'm not a professional, but I believe that's how all my 1099s came through. Okay, this is not a quick get rich thing, okay, but it is real. I paid for so much travel, fun, and savings just using bank bonuses last year. And honestly, I wish I'd started sooner. As you saw in my last video and in all of our videos where I showed this massive trip that we took to Southeast Asia, guys, we paid for almost that whole trip with points and miles, as I explained in my last video. And what we didn't pay for with points and miles, we did pay for with these bank bonuses. We weren't out an additional penny. If you want me to make a video that breaks down the easiest bank bonuses to grab this month, comment below. If you got value out of this video, please hit the like button so that YouTube will send it out to more people who could use some help. And hit subscribe. Don't forget to ring that bell so you'll know whenever I send some more, because I am just getting started sharing all my side hustles, travel hacks, and money wins. Thanks for watching and happy banking.